Alter! Ho, ho, ho! I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but there's just too much snow. I think I need to give you guys a little Christmas update from Austria.
Yeah, it's pow time. Woo!
Alter! Holy motherfucker! We're the only people in here, which also means we have to take the first track out, but that's okay. Whee! Getting out of here is a bit of a shit, but
Oppa!
Nein, Buch. Hoi, hoi. Brauchen Schnaps. 2 hours later. Not quite as picturesque down here. Actually kind of fucking gross. Resume of the first run. Good up high. A little bit wet at the bottom. Some people would call it even rain, but we're not giving up. Alter, wie viel Schnee hast du da? Lower half is heavy, but it's still fun. Come on, take a pow. Einfach gerade oben, oder?
Drop it. Right, day 2, Christmas Eve. We're in Fügen today. It's pretty windy. Every danger is still at a 3. And yeah, if you try to make sense of what happened yesterday, basically it rained to like 5,000 feet, which means the bottom is complete shit. Lower down, there's no snow at all, it's all green. But high up, there's a shit ton of snow, but you have to go quite high. We just did one run and it was actually better than expected. Also, I turned 44 today, so should probably go send something. Right, so that's our little Christmas update here from Austria. And yeah, pretty fun out there. Good morning of skiing. And now Christmas schnapps. What?
And now Christmas schnapps. Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. Peace.